take your toothbrush for a 2-minute dance. Take your colorful brush and give it a nice clean bath under the tap. Next, dress it up with a pea-sized toothpaste drop. Music starting! Let's begin! Start out front where the smile peeks through. Up and down like a seesaw do. Up and down and up and down. Now let's turn it round and round. Little circles, soft and slow. That's the way the dancers go. Trace the top line, high up there. Then the bottom, everywhere. Now we're off. We're going right to the corner, out of sight. All the way to the very end, where the sleepy back teeth bend. Up and down, then circle round. Softest dance without a sound. Top line dancing, bottom too. Every tooth gets a turn with you. Swing to the left, let's go. To the farthest corner, down below. Reach the end, don't stop halfway. The little back teeth want to play. Up and down, then circles too. Top line, bottom, nearly through. Gentle, gentle, feather light. Tickle then clean, that's just right. Don't forget your tongue, hooray! Now the brush dances free, let it sway. Wiggle, swish and sweep and swirl, a happy little tongue twirl. Once when the sun says, rise and shine. Once when the moon climbs up to shine. 2 little dances, day and night. That's how we keep our smiles bright. Now the music's soft, the dance is done. Take a bow, my little one. Wash the brush till it's shiny clean. Stand him tall, the best you've seen. Sip some water, swish it round. Is it cold? Is it warm? What a splishy sound! Feel it swirl, then ptew! Spit it out! That's what dancing's all about. Now look up, and there you are. Your smile is shining like a star. Sparkle, sparkle, shiny and new. You did that! Hooray for you!